Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be looking at question 3 from 2020 Standard Maths exam. This question came from the topic of rates, and this was one of the easy questions, type 1. So let's open this 5.1.1 and let's look at the question 2020 question 3. The question is saying that the distance between the two towns, Bricktown and Koala Creek, is 75 kilometers. A person is traveling between the two towns at an average speed of 50 kilometers an hour. How long would it take to complete the journey? Okay, so let's take it out. So the distance is 75 kilometers, right? And it is taking 50 kilometers an hour. So in an hour he would travel 50 kilometers. So how long would it take to travel 75 kilometers? So distance, if you divide it by speed, you will get the time. So speed is 50 kilometers an hour, distance is 75 kilometers an hour. So if you do that, you get 1.5 hours. 1.5, what is 0.5 hours? 0.5 hours is equal to 30 minutes. Right, so it's 1 hour 30 minutes, and that is option C.